Hey, what's going on? This is Greg with Harvey Woods. In this video, we are going to add a few panels to an existing SolarEdge profile in monitoring. So the first thing that we want to do is go over to our SolarEdge monitoring and sign in. For this account, we will be going into Ravi Sampath's house. We added 5 panels to his existing system. So we want to make sure that those 5 panels appear on his monitoring. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In order to do that, we would go into the Edit Layout button. And when we select Edit Layout, it brings us over to the Layout Editor. In the Layout Editor, what we will find is we have the ability to go over into Mapping. And those 5 panels, when we network them all on site, so your technician will network these panels, will have a list of these serial numbers, and you'll see the 5 serial numbers here. And then we click and drag the existing serial numbers over to Ravi Sampath's house. So let me go ahead and just get rid of these so I can show you what that looks like, right? So here we have 15 out of 20 modules, and we see all of these serial numbers that are appearing here. And so what we go ahead and do is we grab each one. So we select our panel and we give it a little clickarooski, and then we click the serial number, click it, and put them all in. I don't have the map for this, but it really doesn't matter because it's all the same string. And once all that is done, we go ahead and click republish, and everything will be added to the existing monitoring. It'll take a couple hours for that to all appear on their monitoring profile. We added 435 watt modules over to his site. So if we go over into his system, we can see that these are lower wattage modules, so these are why the numbers are lower, and these 435s are outputting quite a bit of energy there. So that is how you go in and you add panels to an existing monitoring profile on SolarEdge monitoring for SolarEdge systems. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.